Okay, I think he's coming around this time. I have a strong feeling about this. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. He's coming. I don't know what side he's coming on. I hear him all right. Right around this tree, he's going to do it, so I'll just go like this. Straight out. See if I can get him. I don't know what he's going to do, but fuck. Let's see him. Oh! Oh, there he goes! I got you, boy. Alright, he should be coming again. He's gonna do it again. There he goes! Got you, birdie. Keep messing with everyone. Why are you messing with everyone? Huh? Yeah. Alright, you got me. You're not gonna get me again, though. Well, yeah, but I won't film it. Hi, Pablo. I'm trying to film this bird. He's been dunked at my head. Alright, you should be coming soon. God, it's hot out here. Let's see. Where is he? There he is. He sees me. He sees me, you stupid bird. Let's see if I film him straight, he might come after me. Yeah, he's looking at me. He's looking at me. I see him down there. If I run over here, he's gonna get me. Oh, he sees me. He sees me. Yeah, he's coming. Here he comes. I see him right over here. Over here somewhere, he's gonna do it. He's that crow, man. Someone say shoot him. Oh, there he goes! Oh, you fucking retard, man! Again! What the hell is wrong with you, you stupid bird? I go from this side, you go to that other side. Okay, I think you can get me. Yep, I see him. He's coming. No, that's not him.